Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Shri Sai Guru channel. My dear students, this is Reshma. Today we will discuss about class 10 real number lesson exercise 1.3 in that third question. Here we need to prove the following numbers are irrational numbers: 1 by root 2, 7 root 5 and 6 plus root 2 are irrational numbers. So let us start the first problem. First one, 1 by root 2. We need to prove 1 by root 2 is an irrational number. So we will assume 1 by root 2 as rational number. This is our assumption. Yes, so that is 1 by root 2 is equal to a upon b, where what are a and b? A and b are integers. A and b are integers and b should not 0 and SF of ab equal to 1. So here 1 by root 2, if it is a rational number, it should satisfy all these three conditions. Okay, so here 1 by root 2 is a by b, then root 2 is equal to, obviously it is b divided by a. See here, root 2 is already, it is proved that it is an irrational number. Okay, root 2 is irrational numbers, but b by a is a rational numbers. So here the LHS side, it is irrational number. It is an irrational number, but irrational number is never equal to rational number. I repeat once again, since root 2 is irrational number, it is already proved, and b by a is a rational number. Since root 2 is a irrational number, it is irrational number because it is already proved. Yes, therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. So irrational number never equal to rational number. Since here RHS statement b by a is rational number, but root 2 is proved that it is irrational number. So our assumption, therefore our assumption was incorrect. Therefore 1 by root 2 is irrational number. It is irrational. So here what happened? Our assumption, what was our assumption? 1 by root 2 is a rational number. But this way here it is we proved that 1 by root 2 is irrational number. So let us take another example. Example number 2. We have to prove 7 root 5 as rational number. Similarly, here also assume 7 root 5 as a rational number. Yes, same procedure here also. So it implies 7 root 5 is a by b. Same condition, a and b are integers, denominator b not 0, and SF of a and b is always 1. This is a condition of a rational number. So here 7 root 5 is a by b. Therefore root 5 is equal to a divided b upon 7, that is equal to root 5 is equal to how much over a by b into 7, reciprocal is 1 by 7, that is equal to a into 1 is a, divided by b into 7 is 7b. We get root 5 is equal to a by 7b. So here a by 7b is a rational number. This is rational number, but root 5 is an irrational number. It is proved already root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, we can write here, since root 5 is a irrational number. Root 5 is a irrational number. And one more fact is what? Irrational number never equal to rational number. So here LHS is not equal to RHS. What you meant by this statement, LHS not equal to RHS, means irrational number not equal to rational number. Therefore, our assumption was wrong. Our assumption was wrong. Therefore, what is the given number? 7 root 5. Therefore, 7 root 5 is a irrational number. Yes. I hope you understand these two problems. Let us see last one, third one. We need to prove 6 plus root 2. 6 plus root 2 is a given number. We need to prove this is an irrational number. The same method, let us assume 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. Same method, dear student. It is a rational number. Therefore, 6 plus root 2 is a by b, where a and b are the integer, b not equal to 0, and last condition, one more condition, both a and b must be prime number. That means SF is equal to 1. Prime number means their SF, the numbers, their SF is always 1. So look at here this expression 6 plus root 2. So here root 2 is equal to, by rearranging this equation we will get root 2 is equal to a by b minus 6. 6 is shifted to RHS. So on simplification we get here root 2 is equal to a minus 6b divided by b, where b is the LCM. So here LHS root 2 is an irrational number because it is already proved, and a minus 6b by b is a rational number. Therefore here irrational number, the same statement, irrational number is never equal to rational number. Because here root 2 is a irrational number. It is irrational number. It is already proved, and the RHS statement a minus 6b divided by b is rational number. It is a rational number. So therefore our assumption becomes wrong or was wrong. What we assumed, 6 plus root 2 is a rational number. It becomes wrong over, because the reason is irrational number never equal to the rational number. Therefore, or hence 6 plus root 2 is a irrational number. It is a irrational number. So hence these three numbers, 1 by root 2, 7 root 5, and 6 plus root 2 are irrational number. I hope you understand this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe Shri Sai Guru channel. Thank you.